Punjab Public Service Commission paper for lecturer biology female basic pay scale 17 at Punjab Higher Education Department. The application advertisement was 2B 2020 and last date to apply was 23/8/2020. Paper was held at 8/8/2021 and total seats were 50 and applicants were 27,151. PPSC has undergone some changes as from now to maybe so on. The paper will be of 100% general knowledge, and the agriculture officer paper will be of general knowledge. All of the 100 MCQs will be from general knowledge, not subject based. But now these are the last exams or papers from whose pattern is 20/80, means 20 general knowledge based questions and 80 are the subject based questions. This paper is following the 80/20 rule, and I think the exams that will be held so on or from after that later on, they will be 100% from general knowledge, Islamiyat, English, etc. Largest class by number of species is arthropods. Carbon dioxide in atmosphere is 0.04%. Naturally occurring cytokinin in plants is Z18. The mutation that changed the codon into stop codon is called the nonsense mutation. Mutation in mitochondrial genome occurs 10 folds. As it is mentioned that review mitochondrial DNA mutation and human disease, the mitochondrial genome has a very high mutation rate, and it is up to 10 to 17 fold higher mutation than that of observed in nuclear DNA. 10 to 17, so 10 to 17 is near to that of the option A, 10 fold. How many nephrons are present in kidney? 1 million. 90,000 to 1 million nephrons are present in a kidney. Millat Ka Pasba poem is written by Mia Bashir Ahmed. Which of the following is an example of homology and similarity tool? BLAST is an example of homology and similarity tool. Source of ATP formation in animals is through both substrate level phosphorylation and chemiosmosis. Amount of carbon on living organism is 18%, which need highest memory. Graphics needs highest memory. Spiders are not included in insects because I do not know the options, but the reasons that why spiders are not insects. Spiders are arachnids. Arachnids are creatures with 2 body segments, 8 legs, no wings or antenna, and are not able to chew. Many people think that spiders are insects, but they are mistaken, since insects have 6 legs and the arachnids have 8 legs, and the spiders have 8 legs, not 6 legs, and 3 main body parts, and the arachnids have 2 main body parts. Most insects have wings, so spiders are not insects, they are arachnids. There is different classification for spider, that they are arachnids, they are not insects. Pacemaker of heart is sinoatrial node. Sinoatrial node gives 60 to 180 beats per minute, and the second is the atrioventricular node that gives 40 to 60 beats per minute. And so the major pacemaker or the major contributor is the SA node with 60 to 100 beats per minute. And there is also another, that Purkinje fiber. Purkinje fiber gives 20 to 60 beats per minute with a right bundle branch. If all conditions of Hardy-Weinberg are met, then evolution will not occur. Phylogenetics is the study of group of organisms. Protein deficiency cause kwashiorkor. It is not sure. Squash player died of COVID-19 is Azam Khan. Excretory system of placenta is different from others due to presence of flame cells. Excretory system of planaria is different from others due to presence of flame cells. Anaphase chromosomes have one. In anaphase, the chromosomes has One chromated allele which express itself is called as dominant allele. Eiffel Tower is located in city of France. City is Paris. It was built in 1889. If 40 men make a wall in 25 days, how much can it make in 12 days? A question was of that type, not exactly that question. Bond between amino acids is peptide bond. Insects respire through spiracles, and this is the spiracle. This is the photo of spiracle, 8th abdominal spiracle. It's the insect. That spiracle is used for respiration in insects. The identification of drugs through genomic study is called as pharmacogenomics. Pharmacogenomics is the study of how genes affect person's response to drugs. This relatively new field condition combines pharmacology, the science of drugs, and genomics, the study of gene and their functions, to develop effective, safe mechanism and doses that will be tailored to a person's genetic makeup. Pleiotropy is the effect of one allele on multiple alleles. Pleiotropy describes the genetic effect of a single gene on multiple phenotypic traits. The underlying mechanism is genes that code for a product that is either used by various cells or has a cascade-like signaling function that affects various targets. It's the pleiotropy. Post-translational modifications are analyzed in protein array. Non-living resources of phosphorus, calcium and proteins are the ocean or the soil. Not sure, but I think ocean will be the right answer. Aphid-like insects are viviparous. Pleiotropy is the effect of one allele on multiple alleles repeated. Post-translational modifications was analyzed in protein array. Islamabad became the capital of Pakistan in 1967. From 1947 to 1966 or 1967, the capital was Karachi. 1967, Islamabad became the capital of Pakistan. Anaphase chromosome in bone marrow contain only one chromosome. In anaphase, the chromosome in bone marrow contain only one chromatid. Earthworm has closed circulatory system. Bread is to wheat, oil is to corn. Lion is carnivore, cattle is ruminant. Hayat-e-Javed was written by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Was written on Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, and the writer was Altaf Hussain Hali. This is the cover page of the book. Book is written on Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and was written by Altaf Hussain Hali. In mitosis, chromosome number remains same. Distort means deform. Bond present between amino acids is peptide bond. When a hybrid shows expression, it is called as shows its dominant expression, it is called as codominance. Relationship between two individuals in which one is benefited and other is not harmed nor benefited, it is called as communalism. Insulin hormone was studied by scientist F. Sanger. F. Sanger was awarded Nobel Prize on that, studying the insulin hormone, on discovering its amino acid sequence or total sequence, genomic sequence. F. Sanger was awarded Nobel Prize. Affect plants, E. coli, salmonella, and there was a difficult name, I do not know the answer. The best to study mammalians are studied by virus or bacteriophages. So I think the answer was virus, not sure. Bacteriophage may be the answer, but I think virus is the best organism or the vector to study mammalian genes or traits. Which of the following scientists created the first bioinformatics database? Day Hoff was the scientist who created the first bioinformatics database. Commensalism, one is benefited, other is not harmed. Study of genetic events in genetic pool is called as population genetics. Biopiracy means stealing of bioresources or patents. Advanced mollusks are the cephalopods. Fourth stage, energy level of 1000 will be 10. At each level 10% energy is reduced. So at the second level there will be the 100. At third level, at second level I think it was 10,000. At second level it will be 1000. Third level will be 100. Fourth level it will be the 1. It is not the 1000. The fourth level of 1000 will be 1. 10 is written mistakenly. At second stage 1000 will become 100. At third stage, the 100 become 10, and at fourth stage, the 10 become 1. So fourth stage energy level of 1000 will be 1. Diaphragm is present in mammals only. Birds do not have diaphragm. The diaphragm is compensated in birds by presence of air sacs, and they have different mechanism. Diaphragm is only in mammals. Alpha and beta proteins are not visible until they appear as a secondary structure. Respiration endonucleases cut the DNA bonds. Chromosomal theory was put forwarded by Walton and Sutton in 1902. Study of genetic events in genetic pool is called as population genetics. Alpha beta proteins are not visible until they appear as a secondary structure. Instrument used to measure pressure is called as barometer. It's the photo of barometer. First restriction endonucleases was isolated by Hind 2, and it was isolated from Haemophilus influenza bacteria. Hind 2 from Haemophilus influenza bacteria was the first restriction endonuclease isolated. The study of chromosomal aberration, which instrument is used, FSISH, fish or fluorescence in situ hybridization is used. In this technique, DNA is probed and labeled with fluorescent dye, and this labeled DNA is cooperated into the DNA, and that DNA part will glow, and this is shown in that as the figure. And in microscopically or in actually, it looks like that. This green and red fluorescence, these are the resultant of the FISH or fluorescence in situ hybridization, and it is used to study the chromosomal aberration or changes, chromosomal changes. Diaphragm is present in only in males. Lamarck's theory of evolution is based on all of these as environmental factors, use and disuse of organs, and inheritance of acquired characters. One gene with one phenotypic trait is pleiotropy. Fight or flight mechanism is the sympathetic nervous system or adrenaline hormone influenced nervous system. The mechanism of hormonal heat production is non-shivering thermogenesis. There is two main types of homeostasis or thermoregulation. One is by hormonal, and other is nervous system influenced thermoregulatory system. In hypothalamus, first of all, the simple method is the nervous system influenced thermoregulation. In the nervous system signals dermal blood vessels to constrict and sweat glands to remain inactive. If body temperature continues to drop, nervous system signals muscles to contract involuntarily, and this involuntarily contraction of muscles is under the nervous system influence, and this nervous system influenced system is also known as the shivering thermogenesis, as the muscles are contracting involuntarily, or in other words, they undergo shivering thermoregulation, and shivering thermoregulation goes under the nervous system controlled thermoregulation, whereas all of the other systems, whole of the other mechanism is under the hormonal thermoregulatory mechanism. So the mechanism of hormonal heat production is the non-shivering thermoregulation, and the mechanism of the nervous system influenced or neurons influenced heat production is the shivering thermoregulation. Biopiracy means use of biopatent. Fight and flight mechanism was performed by sympathetic nervous system. Which one is not intracellular messenger? I think AMP cyclase is not intracellular messenger, I am not sure. Restriction enzyme recognized same sequence are isochizomer or neochizomer. Between Congress and Muslim League there was an agreement or pact known as the Lucknow Pact in 1916. Hemopoietic stem cells are pluripotent. Entomology is the study of insects. Who is the father of chromosomal theory? Walter and Sutton are the father of chromosomal theory of inheritance. Cyber green dye binds to double-stranded DNA. Cyber green 1 binds to DNA. The resulting DNA dye complex best absorbs 497 nanometer, or it absorbs blue light and emits green light. So let's see at that photo. It is absorbing the blue light and it is emitting the green light. Who is performing that? It is due to the cyber green dye. It's the application of cyber green dye. The sample of herring sperm stained with cyber green dye. There was a sperm. This is a sperm that is dyed or stained with the cyber green in a cuvette illuminated with blue light. The light or the source of illumination is the blue color in epifluorescence microscope. Epifluorescence is a type of microscope. The cyber green is the sample, and that blue color is changed into the green color. If the blue color remains the blue color, then it means that there was no sample of interest, or there was no DNA to which the cyber green can bind and emit the green light. If the color remains blue, then it means that our sample do not have the or of our target object. And if the color is from blue is converted to green, then it means that cyber green has binded to the DNA, to the double-stranded DNA, and that double-stranded DNA binded cyber green is emitting the green light by under the influence of blue light, the blue light that is the source of illumination for the microscope. NAFTA is between, or NAFTA is between USA, Canada and Mexico, and NAFTA is the North American Free Trade Agreement. The North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA, was implemented in 1994 to encourage trade between USA, Mexico and Canada. NAFTA reduced or eliminated tariffs or imports and exports between three participating countries, creating a huge free trade zone. Sex-linked diseases do not know abiotic resources of calcium, phosphorus and sulfur. Maybe the oceans or the soil. SCDA are the urochordates. Length of peptide bond is 10 times shorter than that of CN of amide bond. RNDP and TNDP are present in which proportion do not know. Naturally occurring cytokinin is transitin. Flightless flight in ostrich and kiwi are examples of adaptation. Pressure receptors are baroreceptors, and these baroreceptors are involved for maintaining the blood pressure by constricting the blood vessels. Viruses can have DNA or RNA. They do not have both of them. They will have either DNA or RNA. Phylogenetics is the study of evolutionary relationship among biological entities, often species, individuals, or genes, which may be referred to as taxa. Bottom dweller on ponds are benthic. These are the examples of benthic, photos of the benthic, and they are the bottom dwellers. Post-transcriptional modification was analyzed by a protein array. Chromosomal abnormalities are detected by karyotyping or physical mapping. DNA with histone is nucleosome. There are 4 histone proteins that on which the DNA is wrapped, and that DNA around the histone plus histone is called as the nucleosome. On left side is the 3D figure or computer generated figure and the figure B is the photo that was captured by electron microscope of the nucleosome. The dots are the nucleosomes. If restriction enzyme cut DNA sequence other than its specific sequence, it is called as the sensitivity of that restriction enzyme. And if it cut the enzyme exactly for which it is designed for, then it will be called the specificity. Protein synthesis occurs in cytoplasm. Gene linkage can be checked by physical mapping. Train 130 km along passes a bridge in 20 seconds with 90 km per hour. Length of the bridge will be 395 meter. Bacteria used for getting mineral from ores are bioleaching is best described. Griffith experiment as smooth strain mouse death is the best example of Griffith experiment. Heterocyst cyanobacteria do nitrogen fixation. Hybrid express its phenotype, then it may be the dominant hybrid express its phenotype, but I am not sure. Genetic linkage between genes can be determined by physical mapping, back cross, test cross, none. I do not know the answer of that question there. Genetic linkage between genes can be determined by which of them. Restriction endonucleases restrict the cut at the phosphodiester bond. Take off your shoe before you step into the carpet. Certain chromosomal inheritance was proposed in 1902. It is the largest snake of the world, and it is the do not know its answer. I think it's python. Africa, it is the anaconda, the green anaconda, and there is a photo of a news related to anaconda. Did Africa's Royal British Commanders kill the world's greatest anaconda with 134 meter? Did Africa's Royal British Commandos kill the world's largest anaconda, which was 134 feet long and weighed more than 2000 kilos or 2 ton? Then, so anaconda is the largest snake of the world. It is not the most poisonous snake. If the question will be the most poisonous snake, then it will be the cobra. The king cobra is the most poisonous snake, and the largest and heaviest snake is the anaconda. And anaconda can weigh up to 2000 kilograms or 2 tons. Largest poisonous snake is the king cobra. King cobra or Ophiophagus hana is the world's largest venomous snake. Enzymes can be denatured by pH, temperature, charge, etc. Don't know. Microsoft is used for typing biograph. I do not know the other options, so all of these may be true if I know the other options. Father of internet is Vint Cerf. Vint Cerf is the father of internet, widely known as father of internet. Cerf is the co-founder of TCP/IP protocols and the architecture of internet. In December 1997, President Bill Clinton presented the US National Medal of Technology to Cerf and his colleagues Robert K. Kahn for founding and developing the internet. In a nutshell, Vint Cerf is the father of internet. Bioinformatics was introduced by R. Studied by Pearson and Dayhoff. CEO of Steel Mills is Brigadier Shuja Hussain Khwarizmi. Brigadier Shuja Hussain Khwarizmi is the CEO of Pakistan Steel Mills. Which of the following is largest invertebrates? Loligo or colossal squid. Colossal squid is the largest invertebrate, and it is the massive squid that lives in deep sea surrounding Antarctica, and it is the holder of multiple records. Not only it is the largest invertebrate on earth, it also has the largest eyes of any animal, larger even than those of great whales. It has the largest eyes along with the record that is the largest invertebrate. Number of gametes in AABBCC are the 4. I am not sure about that. Most advanced mollusks belong to class Cephalopoda. About 80% of all mollusk species are gastropods. Cephalopods such as squid, cuttlefish and octopuses are among the neurologically most advanced all invertebrates. Cephalopods are the neurologically most advanced invertebrates, and the more mollusks are the gastropods, and the advanced mollusks are the cephalopods. So the question was most advanced mollusk, so it's the cephalopod. Now the female paper is over. Now we will discuss the paper of males for PPSC biology. Lecturer biology male, Punjab Higher Education Commission. Lecturer biology male was, the advertisement was 33 by 2020 or 24 by 2020. It was held on 8/8/2021. Seats were 20 and applicants were 6,259. The last day to apply was 8/9/2020. The questions were: Recep Tayyip Erdogan addressed the joint session of Pakistan for 4 times. This is also the news that Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan will address the joint sitting of Parliament on February 14, announced National Assembly Speaker Asad Kaisar on Thursday. This will be the 4th time that Erdogan addresses the Pakistani Parliament. The Speaker during today's National Assembly session said that he will be consultations will be all parliamentary leaders on the matter. This is the question, but the main point was Recep Tayyip Erdogan addressed for 4th time. Declared Ebola virus free country was the Democratic Republic of Congo. So the answer may be the none of these. So Congo was not the option. Not true regarding protein. They carry genetic material. Declared Ebola virus country in 2020 or 2021. In 2020, it was Democratic Republic of Congo. There are many countries that are declared Ebola free countries, but they are declared before 2020. So they will not be the right options. The right option will be that was declared on 2020, and it will be none of these at the Democratic Republic of Congo was not on the options. Not true regarding protein. They carry genetic material. Protein do not carry genetic material. Cri-du-Chat syndrome occurred due to the mutation in chromosome number 5. This is the chromosome number 5 mutated, and it leads to the Cri-du-Chat syndrome. Mother group blood group is A, father is B, son has A. So mother will have IA, and father will be IB small I. I am not sure about that. 4G is 10 times faster than 3G. 4G, or the current standard of cellular networks, was released in late 2000s and is 500 times faster than 3G. It has been able to support high definition mobile TV, video conferencing, and much more. So the answer will be none of these, as the 10 times was, it is not 10 times. 10 times is not right answer. Answer is 500 times, and 500 times was not the option. So the option will be none of these. Current president of European Union Court of Human Rights is Robert Spano. The European Court of Human Rights, or ECTHR, is a regional human rights judiciary body based in Strasbourg, France, created under the auspices of Council of Europe. The court began operating in 1959 and has delivered more than 10,000 judgments regarding alleged violations of European Convention of Human Rights. 4.5 ribosomal RNA is found in chloroplast of animals. I am not sure for that. Maulana Wahiduddin Khan wrote more than 200 books. Is Parcham Ke Saaye Tale was sung by Najira Noor. Najira Noor is not the writer of Is Parcham Ke Tale. She was the singer of that national song. True for enzymes, enzymes are protein. Swissport was introduced in bioinformatics in 1986. The other examples of bioinformatics are the nucleotide blast, protein blast, T-blast, and BlastX, GenSex, and this is the Swissport. The question is related with that, and this Swissport was introduced in 1986. Primary key must be numerical. Simoria is ancient organism that has given rise to reptiles. These are the example photos of Simoria. Simoria is an ancient genus. This is the photo. This is the Simoria photo. Simoria is an extinct genus of Simoria Simuriomorph from early Permian of North America and Europe. Although they are amphibians in biological sense, Simoria were well adapted to life on land with many reptilian features. So many, in fact, that Simoria was the first thought to be a primitive reptile. So it is primitive of reptiles. Ecdysis or molting occur more frequently in reptiles as snake most frequently has the molting or ecdysis, and the snake is a reptile. Balaeni forms of fishes are the types of fishes that fly. This is the and the flying fishes, they are the exocetide. Balaeni forms are subdivided into many classes, or they have many subdivisions, and the flying fishes of is the exocetidae. It's like that, flying fishes. So it is the subclassification of Balaeni forms. So Balaeni forms of fishes are the flying fishes. Immature scale insects are crawlers. 4 by 9 of number is 12, the number will be 27. Control plus is used to save. Used as plasmid in mammalian cells is virus. Virus is used as plasmid in mammalian cells. 6% of X is 18. X will be 300. Gene for cytoplasmic male sterility are found in mitochondria of plants. Cytoplasmic male sterility, as the name indicates, is under extranuclear genetic control, under control of mitochondria or plastid genomes. It shows non-Mendelian inheritance, with male sterility inherited maternally. In general, there are two types of cytoplasm, and normal and aberrant S-sterile cytoplasms. Cenocytes are cells of Porifera phyla sponges. The center is an example is a cenocyte or choanocyte, and this is labeled choanocyte. So they are present in the sponges. Individual xenoflagellate from colonies that are attached to a single stalk. Cytoplasm has glycolysis. Glycolysis is in the cytoplasm. Glucose breakdown gives us in aerobic respiration gives 38 ATP. Less ATP are observed in anaerobic respiration. And implantation in blastocyst. Implantation to uterus is of blastocyst, so that the ovary has given from ovary there is the zygote in fallopian tube develop into the morula. From morula it is converted into the blastula into blastocyst, and this is the blastocyst that is the implanting on the within the endometrium of uterus. So the structure that is implanted is the blastocyst. Implantation of uterus is of blastocyst. The blastocyst is further modified or developed into the embryo. Ammonia is the chief organism nitrogenous waste in freshwater fish. Freshwater fish has the ammonia as the chief nitrogenous waste, and it is the most toxic. It requires very much water, and the freshwater fish has the ample supply of water. अलीगढ़ तहरीक के बानी इज़ सर सैयद अहमद ख़ान. सहरुल बयान के मुकाबले में क्या लिखा गया था नहीं पता. नॉट डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम कोलेस्ट्रॉल. बाइल ऑफ नन ऑफ दिस, डू नॉट नो. आई थिंक द ऑप्शन विल बी नन ऑफ दिस, एज बाइल ऑफ साल्ट. As bile has the cholesterol, so bile may be the derivative of the cholesterol or steroids. The exchange of material at interstitial fluid and blood level occurs in capillaries. Destruction of plates occurs at convergent boundary. Convergent boundary is also known as the destructive boundary. So the question is cleared at first line, that convergent boundary is also known as destructive boundary. And simplified, there is the simplified diagram of convergent boundary in which the boundaries are destructed. Red dot indicates that destruction is being done at that point, center of the destruction point, and it is an area on earth where two or more lithospheric collides. One plate eventually slide beneath the other, a process known as subduction. Do not need to study more detail. It's simple that convergent boundary is the destructive boundary. Incorrect is mutations due to inversion are viable. The incorrect sentence is that mutation due to inversion are viable. I am not sure about that answer. Substitution is frame shift mutation. Substitution is the other name of frame shift mutation. What time is it is? What is in that sentence? What time in it is? What is an interrogative adjective? This is different from others. This is different dash others, this is different from others. Passive voice of I was kept awake by incident. It was the answer. Excellent is an example of the adjective. Why mitochondrial DNA is used in research? Because mitochondrial DNA is directly transferred from mother to child. There is no crossing over or like anything like that is on the non-mitochondrial DNA or the nuclear DNA. Average molecular weight of amino acids is 110. Zigzag appearance of chromatin is due to H1 protein. It is the zigzag appearance. A zigzag model for the 30 nanometer chromatin fiber. The conformation of 2 of the 4 nucleosomes is a tetranucleosome form structure determined by X-ray crystallography. X-ray crystallography is used to check the 3D structure of proteins and the DNA maybe. The schematic of the entire tetranucleosome. The 4th nucleosome is not visible, being stacked on the bottom nucleosome, and behind it is in diagrammatic illustration of possible zigzag structure that could account for the 30 nanometer chromatin fiber. So what we have to know that zigzag pattern is due to H1 protein. Structure shape of transfer RNA is clover leaf like. The transfer RNA molecule has distinct folded structure with 3 hairpin loops that form the shape of a 3-leafed clover. One of these hairpin loops contains sequence called anticodon, which can recognize and decode an messenger RNA. Each transfer RNA has its corresponding amino acid at its end. Cut DNA strands of DNA is by restriction enzyme. Bead of DNA is due to 8 histone proteins. Simple question. These are the 4 histone proteins that are wrapped around the DNA. Is correct. At metaphase, chromosomes are thick and short. In metaphase, the chromosomes are thick and short. Chromosome was discovered by Fleming. Site of protein synthesis is ribosome. Change in number of 1 or more chromosomes is aneuploidy. Papillomavirus and SV40 viruses causes cancer. Insect belong to phylum Arthropoda. Inactive stage of insect is pupa. Insects has 4 main stages: egg, larva, pupa and adult. So the resting stage is that pupa stage. The next question was Gus gene is a readable gene. Insect feeding on one type of food are monophagous. White and blue flowers give rise to light blue flowers. It will be the incomplete dominance, not sure about that. Thread-like structures during cell division are chromosomes. Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, both are found in atmosphere. The dominant is the carbon dioxide. Non-carbon is vitamin. Vitamin do not have the carbon. True regarding protein is protein has amino acids. I am not sure about that. Non-carbon is vitamin. True regarding protein is protein has amino acids. Biorhythm is controlled by a pineal gland. Echolocation is performed by bats. Optical fiber is made up of silica. Nitrates and nitrites are converted into free nitrogen and nitrogen into nitrates and nitrites by nitrification of ammonia. I am not sure about that answer, that it's true or not, but the sentence was that, the statement was that functional unit of muscle is sarcomere. The cell of the muscle is called as sarcomere, as cell is the functional unit of any organ. So muscle, as muscle is a so the functional unit of muscle should be the cell of the muscle, and the cell of the muscle is sarcomere. The computer simulation in bioinformatics is called as in silico. Is a laboratory where computational or applied mathematical analysis are done on a computer generated model. Is dry lab. Dry lab, there was also question related to dry lab. Dry lab means that we do not use chemical, we use only softwares. We may not use the internet, we may not use the chemicals, and we do the computations, or we apply algorithms to understand any biological problem. So this laboratory will be, or this area will be dry lab laboratory. So it is defined as the dry lab is a laboratory where computational or applied mathematical analysis are done on computer generated model. Methylation of DNA based region is done by methyl mapping. I am not sure about that. Inhibitor bind with active site of enzyme instead of substrate is competitive inhibition. Competitive inhibition is the inhibition in which the inhibitor bind with active site of enzyme instead of substrate. Achondroplasia is called as dwarfism. Another name of dwarfism is achondroplasia, and this is a girl or female who has achondroplasia or dwarfism. Which is called as bald continent? South America or Brazil is called as the bald continent. Which disease equally impacts both genders? Autosomal recessive inheritance is a disease that inherited diseases can equally impact both genders. Which is the deposition of complement DNA into inert structures? It is the DNA microarrays. It is the developing technique or emerging technique of that time. The process of finding the relative location of genes on chromosome is called as gene mapping. Which technique is used to determine the structure of protein? X-ray crystallography is used to determine the structure of protein. There is a crystal, X-rays are bombarded to that, and the pattern diffraction pattern is recorded, and then there is the phases. The electron density map on protein, the X-ray is bombarded, and the atomic model is generated regarding that protein on which the X-ray diffraction is done. And then there will also this is refinement. At refinement, the X-ray is again bombarded, and the atomic model or clear atomic model is taken from that technique. So in a nutshell, X-ray crystallography is the bombardment of X-ray to check the to create electron density map, and this electron density map will give us the atomic model of that protein. There are 1 million nephrons in human kidney. Scientific name of Odontotermus obesius is termite. Odontotermus obesius is a species of termite of family Termitidae. It is native to tropical southwestern Asia. The termite cultivates a symbiotic fungus in special chamber of the nest. Workers gather vegetable detritus which they bring back to the colony, chewing up the material to make up suitable substrate on which the fungus will grow. Odontotermus obesius is a termite. Red Data Book provides data on none of these. The Red Data Book is a book that contains or documents of rare or endangered species of animals, plants, and fungi. 4.5 ribosomes are in bacteria or plastid, I am not sure. Process in mitochondria is none. Protein make from amino acid used for all biological functions, make hair, teeth, etc. I do not know the answer of that. Homology or similar tool is determined by a blast analysis. Movement of proteins inside and outside the cytoplasm is controlled by signal proteins. I think signal proteins, but I am not sure. 3D structure of protein is due to polypeptide chain. Addition or deletion of chromosomes is aneuploidy. True about chromosome inversion is don't know. Text aligned to center in Microsoft PowerPoint is by Control+E. Control+E will lead to the alignment of text in center in a Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft presentation. Founder of a Liger movement says Syed Ahmed Khan chromosome visible during metaphase. Microarray has replaced PCR southern blotting or electrophoresis. I think electrophoresis, I am not sure. Used to study visualize proteins is X-ray crystallography. इस परचम के साय तले वाजन by Najira Noor. Most birds in our South America. Verbal hypothesis. There was question related to verbal hypothesis. Largest island is Greenland. Resting stage of insect is egg larva pupa. Pupa is the resting stage of the insect. Trait goes to F4 without passing through F1, F2 or between these generations. It is the autosomal recessive trait. Microarray replacement has replaced the, I think, electrophoresis. Not sure. Microarrays arrangement in inert arrangement of complement DNA in inert structure. Insect resting stage is pupa. Mother has A blood group, father has B blood group. It has been discussed. Dark blue discussed chromosome were observed firstly by discussed plant DNA for male sex is steroid derivative math. Two questions related to math. These all are questions are discussed. To replace a DNA from one place to another, by to replace a data from one place to another within a Microsoft Word file. We use cut and paste, which is correct. Cockroach testes has 4 segments. It was true that cockroach testes are within 2 to 4th segment of the cockroach. On testing stage with which shed skin. So all these are the repeated questions. Swimming is excellent exercise. What is excellent? So Mytilus belongs to Pelecypoda. Transposons are used in transferring data from one place to another. Down syndrome is autosomal disorder.